Cravings are basically an inevitable part of pregnancy, so I like to find healthy ways of soothing them. One of my favorite treats to enjoy is actually chia pudding. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of nutrients for the baby, including minerals like magnesium, iron, and calcium. And I like to combine them with one of my favorite fresh flavors, mango, for a treat that I can feel good about on every level. This recipe for a delicious mango-chia pudding is actually adapted from my cookbook Superfood Snacks, and I'm so excited to share it with you now during your special time. We'll start with some fresh, ripe mango, cutting large pieces away from the pit, and scoring the flesh on each of the pieces, which is full of essential nutrients. Then we'll use a spoon to easily scoop the mango away from the skin and into a blender. You can even squeeze the pit over the blender to extract any extra juices. We'll add some light canned coconut milk for creaminess, a touch of maple syrup, and a few drops of alcohol-free liquid stevia to enhance the sweetness further without extra sugar. And we'll blend this until it's very smooth and creamy. Now we'll add our star superfood, chia seeds, and you can use either a dark or white variety here. And give the pudding a very quick blitz just to incorporate the seeds without blending them down. To help the pudding thicken, we'll pour the mixture into a sealable container and refrigerate for a minimum of 30 minutes to allow the chia seeds to swell. To serve, simply spoon the pudding into bowls and add a little shredded coconut as garnish. Find this recipe and many more in my illustrious cookbook, Superfood Snacks, 100 delicious, energizing, and nutrient-dense recipes, and get additional recipe details at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe for all the latest on cooking with superfoods.